Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for coming. I label this video, if you want to make more money, watch it. There's a reason. So I do one-on-one coaching on NLP. And when we start coaching, I have this questionnaire that I sent to my clients to see where their money mindset is laying. And the funny result is day one, I see all their limiting beliefs and why money is not coming into their account. And then week 5, when we almost done with our coaching, how their answer is totally on the opposite side of the spectrum. Where before they thought having money is equal to being greedy, working hard, if I have money that I won't have my family and friends around me, they will judge me because I changed and all that stuff. And then at the end of 5 weeks, when I ask the same questions again, all of a sudden, of course I can make more money. Of course I deserve to have more. I will help more people and my family will be so happy for me. And I'll have new friends and I will be more satisfied with my life purpose and all that stuff. So I realized something. Our money beliefs come from the way we've been raised, right? It's cultural, it's generational. We have money blocks that we're not even aware of. We have limiting beliefs that it's not necessarily about money, but it's about I'm not good enough, or I'm not worthy, or fear of success, or anger, or sadness, and all those things adds up in the results that we're getting in our daily life, right? So when we do this NLP coaching, I am able to actually reset all those beliefs and we upgrade your software. Therefore, even the way you walk changes. You know what I mean? So I wanted to extend an invitation. If you want to make more money, if you're struggling because you always end up with the same check, you cannot make more, you're not making less, you're not progressing, you feel stuck, you are frustrated, email me. Let's put a discovery call. I can help you. I'm helping so many people. And this is my absolute passion and my mission to help others because I was you. It's funny also that we attract who we are, right? So all my clients right now, it's me last year. I've done the work. I've been through the hurdles and I learned the best techniques and best NLP processes from the best teachers, and now I'm sharing. So that being said, I'm setting up a 3-day workshop which will be announced soon. I will be announcing it on my newsletter. Please sign up to my newsletter if you want to get notified. I will be walking all of you through your money blocks and what to do and how you get there. And if you want to talk to me about all this stuff, you can always book a discovery call. I'll be more than happy to meet you. It's my absolute passion and my mission to help as many women possible. Also, I'm sorry for the boys. I'm really not sorry. I feel more connection to the ladies because I am one. And I understand you. I'm a single mom. And I get no help from anybody else. If I don't work, nothing works. I am the one-man show. I have many balls in the air. I do many things. And I realize that I really am passionate about helping other women. I would like to work with the women. I love the men. Right now, if you are a man watching this, and if you know that your wife or your girlfriend or your sister or your mother needs help, please have them watch this video. Have them contact me. Let's have a talk. I can help you. I'll be more than happy to do so. And let's get connected. I love you all so much. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day. I will see you soon.